Friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to become an artist in Spotify. So let's get started. At first, we need to go to Google and search for artist Spotify. Now click on Get Access. Now click on Artist or Manager. Now here, we can simply continue with Google, Facebook or Apple. But here, let's continue with our username or email. So let's type here. Now type your password. When you are done, simply click on Login. Now you can simply click on Continue if you already have music on Spotify, and you can tap on this one if you don't have music live in Spotify yet. And if you are the part of team, you can simply tap on Are you part of label team. So this is how you can make an artist profile in Spotify. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.